do some of the other stuff. Chat, make sure to hydrate and stretch too, okay? I know some of you guys are like shrimping.
Oh my god.
Make sure to stretch too. This new cat.
Oh, no.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver?
No.
Don't call me out like that. This ASMR stream when?
Huh?
Let's do it.
Nani? Nani?
Hero, I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
You didn't hear that. Fuck. I turned streamer mode off! Shit. Sophia Lynn. What does that mean? Hello? Am I stupid? I'm really behind on the chat. It might be. Depending on the day.
Oh, no. This was streamer mode looking kind of nice. Yeah, I forgot to turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna need you to stop typing words. Show me your dick, because out of the last 10 things you've typed in the chat, maybe 5 of them have been show me your dick. Okay, we're just gonna relax a little bit. What happened to hello? Yeah, what happened to hello? Hi, how are you? And then you say, show me your dick. Like, there's steps to this. I don't understand. I think we missed a step. Jeez.